Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find all the solution. All is underlined. Okay. In this video, we are to find all the solution. So all is underlined of 1 plus 2 sine x minus 4 sine squared x minus 8 sine cube x is equal to 0 for the range of x greater than 0 but less than 360. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this one. So before we continue, note that sine squared x is the same as sine x all squared, and then sine cube x will also be the same as sine x all cube. If that is the case, then let sine x be equal to a. So wherever we see sine x be represented by a. So this implies that the equation becomes 1 plus 2a minus 4a squared minus 8a cubed is equal to 0. Okay, now we are solving this one. So it's 4 terms. We can use method of grouping, that is in factorization, to do that. So we can group this side. So 1 plus 2a minus 4a squared plus 8a cubed is equal to 0. So we have, so here 1 go into this, so 1 plus 2a, what is the common factor here? We have minus 4a squared times 1, and this will go into 8a cubed plus 2a is equal to 0. So we have 1 plus 2a times 1 minus 4a squared, which is equal to 0. Now this is difference of 2 square, so we can write this as 1 plus 2a times 1 plus 2a times 1 minus 2a, which is equal to 0. Now this implies that these are the same, so you take 1. So 1 plus 2a is equal to 0, or 1 minus 2a is equal to 0. Then we find the value of a in each case. So this implies that 2a is equal to minus 1. Divide both sides by 2. Then here, when you send this one to this side, 1 is equal to 2a. Divide both sides by 2. This one, 2 cancel. So on this side, a is equal to minus 1 on 2. Then on this side, a is equal to 1 on 2. Remember, we were not asked to find a, but we were asked to find x. Now we said that sine x should be equal to a. So we are going to find the value of x in each case. So for a is equal to minus 1 on sine x equal to minus 1 on 2, x will be sine inverse of minus 1 on x will be, now when you check the value of sine, which will give you negative 1 on 2, they are the 210 degrees and then 310 degrees. You can use your calculator to compute. Then let's come here. For a is equal to 1 on 2, sine x is equal to 1 on 2. So x will be sine inverse of 1 on 2. So our x is equal to, sine inverse of half is 30 degrees, and then this is how we check the angles, then 150 degrees. So we start with a common acute angle, 30. Yes. Now when you go round, when you subtract it from 180, this becomes 150 degrees. Yes. So 150. So sine 30 degrees is the same as sine 150. The same thing applies to this one. Sine 210 is the same as sine 310. So therefore, now looking at the range given, see 330 falls within the range, 210 also falls within the range. So x will be 30 degrees, then 150 degrees, 210 degrees, and then 310 degrees. So we have 4 solutions in all. Thank you very much for watching this video. We appreciate your time. But if you are watching us for the first time, watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, can you click on the subscribe button? You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.